Hi, it's Kaylee Baker, and this is my video explanation on hydrophilic and hydrophobic. Hydrophilic, the term, means to tend to mix with, dissolve in, or to be wet by water. Hydrophilic has a strong affinity for water. A hydrophilic molecule or portion of a molecule is typically charged, polarized, and capable of hydrogen bonding. Enabling to dissolve more readily in water than in oil. Hydrophilic substance can seem to attract water out of the air. The hydrophilic concept is used in many industries. Hydrophilic substance can easily form hydrogen bonds with polar solvents like water and alcohol. Chemically, hydrophilic substances have ionic, which is charged, groups that contain oxygen or nitrogen atoms. The polarity of a substance usually defines its hydrophilicity. If the material is hydrophilic, water-loving, it has a surface to which water is attracted. If the material is the adhesion of water to the material coats the surface of this object with water, reduces the surface tension, and causes the object to sink. Hydrophobic, the term, is a property of a substance that repels water. It means lacking affinity for water and tending to repel or not to absorb water. Hydrophobic molecules tend to be non-polar molecules and group together. Oils and fats are hydrophobic. Hydrophobic substances are characterized by a contact angle with water greater than 90 degrees. There are also superhydrophobic materials which have angles greater than 150 degrees, and whose surfaces resist wetting. Hydrophobic molecules and surfaces repel water. Hydrophobic molecules are usually nonpolar, meaning the atoms make the molecules do not produce a static electric field. So hydrophilic can mix with water, but hydrophobic cannot mix with water. That is my explanation on hydrophilic and hydrophobic.